Oh gosh.
The flash flood warning for southwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Richmond, Staten Island County in southeastern New York until 6:15 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard to flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newark, Patterson, Elizabeth, Passaic, Leon, Plainfield, Bloomfield, Orange, Bergenfield, Glamour, Ridgewood, Summit, Lyndhurst, Milburn, Rutherford, Secaucus, and Harrison. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.
Flood watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Tuesday. What flash flooding caused